Have you ever wondered why carrots are considered one of nature's most powerful vegetables? And what makes this humble root vegetable a true superfood that could transform your health in ways you never imagined? Stay with me until the end, because I'm about to reveal some surprising facts about carrots that might just change the way you think about this orange powerhouse forever. Carrots are among the most popular vegetables consumed worldwide, and for excellent reasons that go far beyond their sweet, pleasant taste. This crunchy vegetable belongs to the Apiaceae family, sharing its lineage with celery, parsley, and coriander, and it originated in Western Europe and Asia thousands of years ago. What makes carrots truly exceptional is their remarkable nutritional profile, particularly their incredibly high content of beta-carotene, which gives them their distinctive orange color. Beta-carotene is a powerful antioxidant compound that your body converts into vitamin A, an essential nutrient that plays a crucial role in maintaining healthy vision, supporting immune function, and promoting skin health. In fact, just 100 grams of raw carrot contains only 40 calories, while providing an impressive array of vitamins and minerals, including vitamin B6, vitamin K, vitamin E, potassium, and phosphorus. But the real magic happens when we look at the health benefits that regular carrot consumption can offer. Multiple scientific studies have demonstrated that eating carrots regularly may significantly reduce the risk of cardiovascular diseases by improving antioxidant capacity in the blood and reducing cholesterol and triglyceride levels. When it comes to cancer prevention, the evidence is even more compelling. Research involving over 120,000 women found that those who consumed 2 to 4 servings of carrots per week had 40% lower risk of developing lung cancer compared to those who didn't eat carrots at all. Even more impressively, women who ate 5 or more servings weekly showed a 60% reduction in lung cancer risk. Another observational study revealed that individuals consuming 2 or more servings of carrots or spinach weekly had 44% lower risk of breast cancer. The protective effects of carrots extend to eye health as well, with studies showing that higher blood levels of alpha and beta-carotene, along with lutein and zeaxanthin found abundantly in carrots, are associated with reduced prevalence of cataracts. These carotenoids act as powerful antioxidants, neutralizing harmful free radicals in your body that can damage cells and contribute to various diseases, including cancer, heart disease, and age-related conditions. Carrots are also an excellent source of dietary fiber, with about 2.7 grams per 100 grams, and these fibers work synergistically with carotenoids to maximize the vegetable's protective effects. Soluble fibers in carrots have been shown to reduce cholesterol levels and help prevent atherosclerosis, the hardening of arteries that can lead to heart attacks and strokes. Interestingly, while cooked carrots have a high glycemic index, their glycemic load remains low because a normal serving contains a moderate amount of carbohydrates, making them perfectly suitable for weight management, whether eaten raw or cooked. To maximize the absorption of beneficial carotenoids from carrots, nutrition experts recommend consuming them with a source of healthy fat, such as olive oil, nuts, or cheese, since these compounds are fat-soluble. Cooking carrots also appears to increase the bioavailability of these nutrients, making them easier for your body to absorb and utilize. Beyond the classic orange variety, carrots come in multiple colors, including purple, red, yellow, and white, each offering slightly different nutritional benefits. Purple carrots contain twice as much beta-carotene as orange ones, while yellow varieties have very little and white carrots have none at all. You can enjoy carrots in countless delicious ways, from raw and grated in salads with raisins and walnuts, to steamed and seasoned with butter, glazed with honey, pureed with other root vegetables, or roasted with olive oil and herbs. Carrot juice is another fantastic option, providing concentrated nutrients, though it retains only about 10% of the vegetable's precious fiber, so consider using the leftover pulp in baking recipes for muffins, cakes, or cookies. For those following weight loss programs, crunching on 1 or 2 raw carrots can be an excellent strategy to satisfy temporary hunger while providing valuable nutrients. Carrots can be stored in the refrigerator's vegetable drawer for up to 10 days, and they keep even better when the green tops are removed and stored separately. While carrot allergies are rare, some individuals with pollen allergies may experience oral allergy syndrome when consuming raw carrots, characterized by itching or burning sensations in the mouth and throat, though cooking typically degrades these allergenic proteins. The fascinating history of carrots reveals that the orange variety we know today was actually created by Dutch farmers in the 16th century who crossed red and white varieties to honor the House of Orange, and this cultivated version quickly replaced all other colors to dominate the market. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more health insights.